From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The fourth problem of WAEC 2024 says two terms x and y are located at points -2, -5 and 3, 7 respectively. Calculate the distance between the two terms. So there's a formula for calculating the distance between 2 points on the coordinate axis. And that formula says distance is simply the square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. So we can decide to call any of these x1 or y1. So if this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. And so when we substitute, we get what the distance is. So upon substitution, s2 is 3 minus x1 is -2, and minus is plus square, plus y2 is 7, y1 is -5, minus is plus 5 all square. And so 3 plus 2 is 5 square, 7 plus 5 is 12 square. If we take this, 5 square is 25 and 12 square is 144. If we add this, 25 plus 144 is 169. And so this is 13 units, which is C. Thank you for watching.